Hi everyone, this is Emre with Teamflect and welcome to our quarterly What's New announcement video. This is where we walk you through all the exciting innovations our product team cooked up throughout the entire third quarter. And this quarter, we have even more incredible features to share with you, including the single most important AI feature in Teamflect history. And as usual, everything I'll be talking about in this video should be popping up on your screen right about now. And there are timestamps on the video, so if you see something that is particularly of interest to you, feel free to skip right ahead, but you really shouldn't, because we're starting things off with some major news. We are thrilled to announce that Teamflect Agent is now available in closed beta. This is something we've been working on for a while now, and we couldn't be more excited to finally share it with you. So what exactly is Teamflect Agent? Think of it as ChatGPT meets HR, but here's the kicker. It doesn't just answer questions. It can actually take action within your Teamflect environment. Have an employee with a policy question at 10 p.m.? The agent has them covered. Need a comprehensive team performance report for tomorrow's board meeting? Consider it handled. Preparing for performance appraisals and need all relevant data gathered? The agent will compile everything you need so you can walk in completely prepared. Because it is seamlessly connected to both your Teamflect data and your Microsoft 365 environment, Teamflect Agent can respond intelligently to queries from employees, managers, and HR teams alike. This isn't just another chatbot. This is your AI-powered talent management assistant that actually gets things done. And if you would like to join our closed beta and try Teamflect Agent for yourself, just head over to the Teamflect AI page in the Admin Center and fill out a simple form. Speaking of AI that understands your organization, we've taken personalization to a whole new level. We've added a brand new fine-tune AI section to our Admin Center, and this is going to change how AI works across your entire Teamflect experience. Here's how it works. Admins can now provide specific information about their organization, things like company size, internal policies, cultural values, as well as unique terminology. Once you've done this, every AI feature in Teamflect becomes tailored specifically to your company. What does this mean? Well, when AI helps you write performance review comments, it understands your company's performance review philosophy. When it suggests development goals, they align with your organization's career frameworks. And when Teamflect Agent answers questions, it does so with full knowledge of your company's specific context and policies. Look, generic AI tools are a dime a dozen these days. The real power of AI comes from the context. And with this improvement, we've achieved just that. This wouldn't be a quarterly video without some improvements to our beloved Goals module. You all have been requesting this one for a while, and we're happy to deliver. Tree View for Goals. The tree or hierarchy view displays exactly how each cascading goal connects to the others in a clear, visual format that just makes sense. You can see at a glance how individual goals roll up to team objectives, how team objectives support departmental OKRs, and how everything ultimately aligns with your company's strategic priorities. With Tree View, the entire goal hierarchy is laid out beautifully, making it easier than ever to ensure everyone is aligned and moving in the same direction. Remember how excited we were about our Power BI Integration 2.0 last quarter? Well, we've taken it even further. You can now link your Teamflect goals directly to live data sources in Power BI. So when a certain value changes, the goal progress is updated automatically. Think about what this means. Your sales dashboard updates in Power BI, your revenue goals in Teamflect update instantly. Your customer satisfaction scores change, your service quality goals reflect that immediately. This is the kind of seamless data flow and integration that you all know and love about Teamflect, and we're super excited to help you transform the way you manage your goals. Now, let's talk tasks. We've greatly enhanced our task group feature based on your feedback, and the improvements are going to make collaborative task management so much smoother. First up, individual tasks within a task group can now be assigned to different users. This is huge for complex processes that involve multiple people. Here's a perfect example. When a new employee joins your company, you can create a single task group for onboarding, but assign specific tasks to different people. Orientation tasks go to the new hire, training tasks to their manager, and equipment setup to IT. everyone knows exactly what they need to do, all organized under one unified task group. But we didn't stop there. We've also added checklists, attachments, labels, and lock for editing capabilities to individual tasks within task groups. Basically, all those powerful features you know and love within regular tasks inside Teamflect, they're now available for task groups as well. Moving on. Sometimes the simplest features make the biggest difference, and this one has been heavily requested by you. Monthly recurrence for tasks. You asked for it, you got it. You can now set tasks to recur monthly. We don't even have a detailed explanation for it. It's simple, it's beautiful, and we're happy to have implemented it. And of course, we couldn't forget about our amazing Teamflect admins who keep everything running smoothly. We've added 2 powerful new bulk upload features that are going to save you hours of manual data entry. First, you can now upload organizational relationships in bulk. Whether you're setting up new reporting structures or reorganizing teams, just use our simple template to upload the data in bulk. Second, you can now assign competencies to roles in bulk. Once again, all you need to do is use our handy Excel template and build your company-wide competency frameworks with ease. All right, Teamflect agent, look, I'm done with the video, I'm done with the script, but I don't have an outro yet. I was thinking I would close it out with, all right, everyone, you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. What do you think?
That's terrible, Emra. You're not running a pub.
Fine. How about something like, that's all, folks? It's a classic.
You stole that from the Looney Tunes.
All right. You know what? If you're so clever, if you're so smart, you know our company, you know our company culture, you know the way we do things, you know the way I do things. Fine. How about you do it? You come up with the outro. Let's see what you got.
I got this. That about wraps it up for our announcement video for quarter
3. Over here at Teamflect HQ, we're beyond excited for all the new features we're planning to bring you as we close out 2025, including, but not limited to, the full release of Teamflect Agent, as well as a new and updated design of Teamflect's homepage, alongside some other exciting features that you might be seeing on screen. As always, whether you're a newcomer just joining our ranks or a seasoned member of the Teamflect community, we just want to say thank you so much for choosing Teamflect. Because remember, we're only here to help you build teams that deliver.